Once you've logged in to the MyFitnessPal and registered, this is going to be your home screen. So what you're going to find here is right here is the goal. So when you look on the MyFitness assessment worksheet, it'll say total daily calories, and this is what MyFitnessPal is calculated for you. That is the number that's going to go on your worksheet. Now, as you see on the worksheet, there is a percent of carbs, fats, and proteins, energy intake, energy expenditure, and then the intake expenditure columns. Okay, so energy intake, what that is this right here. That is the amount of food and calories that you've intaked. So this is the number that's going to go at the end of the day in the energy intake for that day. This right here are the amount of calories that you expended. So that is going to go in the energy expenditure column. And then net right here, it just means the difference between what you've intake for the day and the exercises that you expended. So that's going to go in that last category, intake expenditures.